In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring payments on Trading 212. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, so your contributions happen automatically without you having to remember each month. First, open the Trading 212 app or go to the web platform and sign into your account. Once you're in, look toward the top corner of the screen for the three horizontal lines. This is the main menu icon, sometimes called the hamburger menu. Tap or click it to open the full navigation so you can get to the settings you need. With the menu open, follow the on-screen highlight and select Price Alerts. I know this might sound unrelated to recurring payments, but this path leads you through the automation area you'll use to fine-tune your setup. Going here first helps you avoid overlapping notifications while you schedule payments. Inside Price Alerts, open the example alert you see on screen, such as one that says, Price reaches $3,900. Treat that as a placeholder alert. The exact number isn't important. We're simply using it to access the alert controls. Once it's open, switch that alert off. Turning it off now prevents alert pop-ups from colliding with your new recurring schedule. You can always come back later and re-enable any alerts you actually need. Next, continue by clicking the highlighted area presented on your screen. This takes you forward through the flow toward your automation and scheduling options. When the next panel appears, click the highlighted control again to reach the section where recurring actions are managed. Follow the highlights as they appear. They're guiding you step by step to the correct place. When you arrive at the scheduling screen, look for the option labeled Recurring and click it. This is where you enable your automatic payments. After opening Recurring, you'll see options to tailor the schedule to your needs. Choose the cadence that matches your plan, pick the date or day that works best with your pay cycle, and set the contribution amount that fits your budget. Take a second to review any summaries shown so everything looks right before you proceed. A couple of quick tips while you're here. Make sure your preferred payment method is already added and verified so the transfer can run on schedule, and double check any cutoff time so the first payment posts when you expect it to. When you're satisfied, confirm the changes to activate your recurring payments. That's it. You've navigated to Trading 212, opened the menu, managed alerts to avoid conflicts, followed the guided highlights, and turned on recurring so your payments run automatically.